I was working on the 9mm gantry parts for the SVU8, but I had one annoying problem. I couldn't properly show the parts on camera. Everything looked flat, messy or blocked by my hands. So instead of fighting with tripods and random mounts, I built this. A super simple overhead camera rig made from DN40 pipes, a few 3D printed parts and basic hardware. And honestly, it completely improved my top-down shots. Here, have a look. The whole rig is built from DN40 pipes. I mainly chose them because they're cheap, sturdy and super easy to work with. I got 2 corner pieces, 2 87-degree pieces and pipes with flanges in the sizes 500mm, so half a meter, 2 times, and 1000mm, so 1 meter, 3 times. The 2 500mm pieces get cut at 300mm, measured from the side with no flange, and 2 of the 1000mm pieces I cut at 750mm, one side measured from the flange and one side without the flange. You can vary the height depending on your needs. The pipes are easy to cut with a simple handsaw. I also designed and printed these feet to keep the frame stable and prevent the pipes from sliding around. Once all the pipes are cut, the assembly is easy, just slide the pipe in, as I do with your mother, and adjust the feet. If you measured correct, the 2 side pieces should be the same height, not like mine. After correcting the pipe, only the top one needs to be attached. At the time, I still film all my videos with my iPhone. And for mounting the phone on the frame, I got these clamps from Small Rig. The clamp is easy to mount and adjust. In addition, I got a second clamp for a small film light. Honestly, I should have built this way earlier. The best part is, the whole setup is modular, cheap and easy to modify later. It only cost me 20 euros. Next step, finishing the actual SVU8 9mm project. So if you want to see how it turns out, subscribe because the video is coming soon. Thanks for watching, bye!